Hello boys and girls. This video is all about these things. And these are Arrow titanium slip-ons. So these are not a full system. It comes with this link pipe. And that's it. It's not decatted, nothing. It's just slip-ons. Oh, hello. That's a big dog. Quick questions. Is it tuned? No idea. Previous owners put these on. I was going to stick them on anyway. I don't think you need to tune them unless you decat it. How much are they? It depends where you go. Slip-ons for these is roughly about 600 quid. Are they easy to fit on? Super simple. Just a couple bolts in here and it just slips on there. Just put some sealant on it. So anyway, let's fire her up.